Okay, so here we are, back out in the field. So we've got a can out there. It's a mixer can, like tonic or something like that, and 3-inch reactor target on the Met post, so 190 yards. So I'm just going to get one on the can and just see where we are, the drops and whatnot. And that may have just gone over. So I might just take 4 MOA off, just give us about okay, let's see where that went. So that went hold over 2 MOA with about 2 MOA of push. So I'm going to box that in, see if we can box it in top right. 2 MOA. No, Mr. Pheasant. Oh, right by it. Okay. Oh, so it just had a gust come on, so that obviously, because the wind's coming straight for me, so I'm going to put just 2 MOA wind on. Oh, right by the side of it. I'm off a tripod as well, so I've got to account for a little bit of a wibbly wobbly out at 190. So I'm just going to do a slight hold on that, keep 2 MOA wind. Oh, okay. Try another one. No, that was a 3 MOA push. Oh, little monkey. Zoom in. There we go. I'm going to get one on the target, side to target, and just see if it'll tell me what's going on. Damn, sounded like impact. Okay. No, that was a bit high. Last one. It's not going to be, you know it. Oh no, little monkey. So 190 yards. Small tonic can. Okay, let's just push this again another minute, so I'm going to hold 4 Oh, right elevation, wrong, right winded, wrong elevation. So put 2 MOA, hold on that. Oh, bugger. I think it was right by the side of it. Yay! There it is. And that was at the bottom of it. Okay, so just pushed us down a little bit again. That's cool. So soda can, wow, tonic can, 190 yards. Boom, awesome. Ah, right, there she is. Right, we'll go up and have a look at this can. 190 yards, fantastic. So just done a like full strip down and that, and then the FX Crony never worked all day. I got one shot recorded, which I had to work from. So I did a tune by ear, basically by ear and by group. So obviously the better group, the smaller group you can shoot. Obviously with all the human error taken out. You know, you're getting on the right path for a tune. But anyway, we came back out here. We did a bit of a I say me did a FX Crony fix this morning. So come out this afternoon. Every single shot was recorded. Did another quick in the field tune. And yeah, so got out onto the can, as you do. So these are old cans from, I think, last Christmas or the Christmas before. Some old mixer cans I found. So it's like, well, don't want to be drinking them, we want to be shooting them. So I am. So here we go, here's my 190 yard mark. So this is the edge of, right on the start, the edge of the field. So they pour out of here and then happily munch and graze their way through that patch all the way down through there, as you can see. Little monkeys. Oh, okay, yeah, so thought we'd cracked it on the bottom. There we go. But 190 yards, so that gave me a good dope, and obviously a through and through. It's only a very thin can, but yeah, brilliant. So that's me 190. I think that was my shot, which I kind of went, right, okay, we're kind of on it. I think it was. Or they were spinning off to the side, so I could see pick up anyway. So you dial or hold to that. Yeah, so very cool. So all the way down over there, 190 yards. Happy days.